everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. So in this video, we are going to discuss the pattern Uchi Ni, and this pattern is for our JLPT N3 preparation, or this is a N3 or level Q3 pattern. So please be focused to study it, be concentrated. So here first, now let us talk about what does Uchi Ni mean. Uchi Ni means while. Uchi Ni means while, but here of this pattern is used in two ways, like talking to make your sentences in a different way or in a different sense. The first use would be of Uchi Ni is Ichi o suzuite iru toki ni o shimasu. Ichi o suzuite iru toki ni o shimasu. Toki means, every one of you know, toki means when. Right? So this first line or the first way says when one is happening, two is happening. When one is happening, at the same time second is done or second is happening too. Like while one is happening, second is also happening. मतलब एक काम साथ में दूसरा भी हो रहा है. Like both the work are done at the same time. Got it? The second way of, I hope you got it. Yeah. So the second is ima shinaito kore kara dekinai. Ima shinaito kore kara dekinai. This means if you don't do it right now, after this you won't be able to do it. मतलब if you are not doing it right now, means अगर तुम ये अभी नहीं कर रहे, so you would be not able to do it in the future, or after this you can't do that. Got it? You're saying this, if you want to do, you have to do it right now, otherwise you can't do it later on. Got it? The first is when one is happening, second is happening too, and the second says if you are not doing it right now, you can't do it later. Got it? So now here this pattern has an exception, not an exception like a rule, a point which you should keep in your mind. Better you can note it down, these things. The first is, the point here, it says if we use nai form with Uchi Ni, means if we are using nai form with Uchi Ni, so it means before it. For example, like agar hum Uchi Ni, before Uchi Ni, if our verb is in the nai form, so it means before this happens, better you do that. Before it, something happens. This means agar nai form hai aapki Uchi Ni se pehle as a verb, so it means before it happens, better do it. Got it? Now let us understand it by some examples. So here are three examples, I hope. So the first says is Watashi wa nihon ni sunde iru. So now let us translate by breaking the sentences. Okay. Watashi wa nihon ni sunde imasu means to leave. Watashi wa nihon ni sunde iru. I am living in Japan. It is the continuous. Sunde iru, sunde imasu. I am living in Japan. Uchi ni. Now here is Uchi ni, which means the while sense comes here. Got it? The while sense comes here. Dezuni rurando e itte mitai desu. Watashi wa nihon ni sunde iru uchi ni dezuni rurando e itte mitai desu. Now just leave Uchi ni. Let us translate the afterword. Dezuni rurando, Disneyland. E itte means to go. Mitai desu means want to see. I want to see Disneyland. Got it? So now the sense would be while I am living in Japan. तब तक मैं जापान में हूँ, और like ऐसे मैं जापान में रह रहा हूँ तभी मुझे डिज्नीलैंड देखना है. As while I am living in Japan, I want to go and see Disneyland. Got it? Uchi ni sense here is while. While I'm living in Japan, I want to go and see Disneyland. Got it? You can use it other sentences as well. So please frame your sentences to get it better understood. The second line, the second example here we are having is Akarui uchini. Now this is our pattern. Akarui uchini. Niwa no soji o shutte shimau. Akarui means bright. Niwa no soji. Clean the park. O shutte shimau. Let's clean the park. Or let's clean the garden. So, while it is bright, let us go and clean the park or let us go and clean the garden. Tab tak, like it's sunny or it's bright, we shall go and clean our park. Got it? Because after it would be dark, we won't be able to see it properly. So, Akarui uchini, niwa no soji o shutte shimau. While it's bright, let us go and clean the park. Got it? Now, our third and the last example here is Aistukurimu tokenai. Aistukurimu tokenai. So here, toke means tokemas. This is the verb. It means melt. As the point here says, if you're having nai form before uchini, it means before it something happens. Before something happens, do it. Like Aistukurimu tokenai uchini. Now here is the nai form. Got it? Here is the nai form. Uchini, our pattern. Hayaku tabete kudasaine. Now you're requesting. Quick, please eat it quickly. Aistukurimu tokenai means before the ice cream melts. Before, uchini se pehle agar nai form has, so it brings the sense of before something happens. So before the ice cream melts, please eat it quickly. Now here is ne used because the same thing, it is very common, like it's very casual. If you won't eat your ice cream, it would melt. So same, your listener knows it too. If he or she don't eat it right now, so it is going to be melt. So it's going to melt. So ne is used, but if the listener do not know about this thing, but the speaker do, so yo. I guess everyone here you knows about ne and yo. So aisukurimu tokenai uchini hayaku tabete kudasai ne. Before the ice cream melts, please eat it quickly. So you can have a look, guys, once. I hope you understood it, but still if you're having any doubts, please do not forget to leave in the comments down below. Stay safe. Bye.